Hi, it's another time to meet on YouTube. Every building has its foundation, and the kind of foundation designed for each building is characteristic of the kind of building that is meant to be structured. So, if it is a small house or a bungalow, the foundation may not be too deep. If it's going to be like a multi-story building, it has to be deeper. But if you're going to be putting a skyscraper on that place, then you need to really dig deep into the ground so that you can fortify that foundation to be able to withstand the structure that is coming on top of it. The kind of foundation you lay for yourself will determine the kind of structure you are going to build, the kind of lifestyle you are going to live, the kind of future you are going to lead for yourself. The foundation you are laying for yourself now will include the kind of education you are getting, your social interaction, your human relation, your character, your personality. All of this will form the foundation upon which you will build a future. If you're aspiring to become, let's say for example, a medical doctor, you know that from inception that this is what you want to become. You have to start from your foundation. You have to start the academic line to be able to put you in that field. You don't go to the art class or the commercial class when you're thinking of becoming a medical doctor. It's not going to work that way. You need to go into the appropriate class so that you can lay the right foundation for yourself. If you intend to become a very influential person, a great asset to yourself, to your nation, then you would understand that you should be able to maximize every resources that is available to you. You must understand how to manage your time. You must understand how to manage resources. You must understand how to manage people. You must understand how to manage your own emotions. You must have emotional intelligence. You must have all of these things as part of your foundation. You must be a good leader. Leadership is one of the things you must understand and be able to display. You must also be a good follower. You must be a lot of things put together. So the kind of foundation you are going to be laying for yourself, you cannot afford to lay a shallow foundation for yourself. It has to be rooted deep. It has to be solid. It has to be well structured, because what you are building on it is going to be huge. It's going to be great. If you are someone that takes things with levity, you are a happy-go-lucky person, and you do not have the discipline, you do not have the tenacity, the energy to pursue things, then when the time comes in life for you to do the actual work, you are going to fade out, you are going to tire easily, and then you realize you've not been built for this. You need to learn how to build yourself tough and strong. You need to learn how to be able to weather the storm, not because the storm is coming today or tomorrow, but for the day it will come, you'll be ready. Understand that you have to put in the hard work now so that you can be ready for the future when everything is coming your way. Uneasy lies the head that wears the crown. Yes. So a lot of things are going to come your way that are not going to be pleasant. That is how life is. We have the good and the bad all working together. We have the yin and the yang. Everything has to work together. Everything has to be in a balance. That's how life is created. That is how things works. We cannot leave out the bad and hold on to the good. We have to take the two. So you have to be well grounded, well groomed, well trained, with a very solid foundation, so that you can be prepared to handle situations that will come your way. Sometimes failure is part of the things that will make you strong. You cannot expect to succeed in everything you do all the time. You should be able to accommodate some forms of failure. Failure is not when you are not able to achieve something. Failure is when you totally give up on what you are trying to do. Understand how to accept challenges, understand how to accept things not going the way you projected it to go to, and know how to navigate your way around it. That way you'll be better suited to face what comes ahead of you. I'll see you next time.